We're in Metropolis, Illinois, which is the home of Superman. I'm going to show you a couple things that you guys can do if you decide to stop here.
Check out Superman Museum, giant statue, gift shops, and more. Cute little shop called Hidden Gems. Play at Harris Casino. Eat at Fat Ed's Roadhouse. They have delicious food. Visit Big John for all your grocery needs. Check out Super Bowl. Newly updated facility. Very nice inside. Go camping at Fort Massac State Park. Our daily rate was $21.